How to make passive income with crypto. In an era marked by the rise of digital assets and blockchain technology, the concept of generating passive income with cryptocurrency has garnered significant attention. From staking and yield farming to decentralized finance, DEFI protocols, and dividend-bearing tokens, we will delve into each avenue, dissecting its mechanics, risks, and potential rewards. Staking, a pillar of passive income. Staking is a cornerstone of passive income in the cryptocurrency realm. By holding and staking a specific amount of a particular cryptocurrency in a designated wallet, individuals contribute to the network's operations and security. In return, they earn staking rewards, typically in the form of additional tokens. The process promotes network decentralization and offers an attractive way to earn a passive income stream. However, stakers should be mindful of factors such as token volatility, network participation requirements, and potential lockup periods. Yield farming, harvesting DeFi rewards. Yield farming has emerged as a captivating practice within the decentralized finance DeFi ecosystem, enabling individuals to maximize their cryptocurrency holdings and generate returns through active participation. In this innovative process, users provide liquidity to various DeFi protocols by locking up their assets in liquidity pools. In return, they receive rewards in the form of interest, fees, or project-specific tokens. Yield farming not only offers the potential for attractive returns but also fosters liquidity within the DeFi ecosystem. While yield farming presents lucrative opportunities, it comes with inherent complexities and risks. The rapidly evolving DeFi landscape can expose participants to smart contract vulnerabilities, impermanent loss due to volatile asset prices, and the potential for rug pulls in fraudulent projects. Users must carefully evaluate the protocols they engage with, conduct thorough research, and diversify their strategies to mitigate risks. Yield farming strategies vary, with some focusing on specific assets, liquidity pools, or DeFi platforms. The practice has contributed to the growth and adoption of various DeFi projects, amplifying the network effect and encouraging community participation. Lending and borrowing platforms, earning interest on crypto. Lending and borrowing platforms have redefined the way individuals interact with their cryptocurrency holdings, offering a unique avenue for earning passive income while accessing funds. These platforms facilitate the lending of crypto assets to other users or institutions in exchange for interest payments. Simultaneously, borrowers can collateralize their assets to borrow cryptocurrency, providing them with liquidity without the need to sell their holdings. This symbiotic relationship benefits both lenders and borrowers, fostering a dynamic ecosystem within the cryptocurrency space. The benefits of participating in lending and borrowing platforms are multifold. Lenders can earn attractive interest rates on their idle crypto holdings, effectively monetizing their assets. Borrowers, on the other hand, gain immediate access to funds without liquidating their investments, enabling them to seize market opportunities or address financial needs. However, participants must be mindful of potential risks, including borrower defaults and market volatility that may affect collateralized assets. These platforms operate through smart contracts, ensuring transparency, security, and automated execution of lending and borrowing agreements. Dividend-bearing tokens, sharing in project success. Certain cryptocurrencies, particularly those associated with specific projects or ecosystems, offer dividend-bearing tokens that provide holders with a share of the project's profits or fees generated within the network. These tokens, often distributed periodically, offer a consistent income stream akin to dividends in traditional finance. Nonetheless, investors must conduct thorough due diligence to ensure the project's viability and long-term sustainability. Masternodes, empowering network infrastructure. Masternodes play a pivotal role in the cryptocurrency ecosystem by contributing to the operational integrity and security of blockchain networks. Operating a masternode involves holding a specified amount of the cryptocurrency and running a full node, performing additional functions beyond transaction validation. In return for their contribution, masternode operators receive rewards, often in the form of tokens. This mechanism not only incentivizes network participation, but also enhances transaction speed, privacy features, and overall network efficiency. Masternodes, however, require technical expertise and a significant initial investment. While they offer opportunities for passive income, individuals should carefully assess the potential risks, operational costs, and the overall governance structure of the network before embarking on a masternode venture. Automated trading bots, capitalizing on algorithmic strategies. Automated trading bots have emerged as powerful tools for individuals seeking to capitalize on the dynamic cryptocurrency markets. These bots execute trades based on pre-programmed algorithmic strategies, allowing users to take advantage of price fluctuations and market trends, even when they are not actively monitoring the markets. By removing emotional decision-making, automated bots aim to enhance trading efficiency and potentially generate passive income. However, their effectiveness is subject to the accuracy of their algorithms and the volatility of the crypto markets. While automated trading can offer convenience and potential gains, users must exercise caution, conduct thorough research, and continually refine their strategies to mitigate risks and optimize outcomes. Token airdrops and forks, unexpected windfalls. Token airdrops and forks serve as intriguing phenomena in the cryptocurrency space, often leading to unexpected windfalls for holders. Airdrops involve the distribution of new tokens to existing holders, rewarding them for their loyalty and engagement. Forks, on the other hand, result in the creation of new blockchains and tokens, granting holders of the original cryptocurrency a share of the new network. Both events offer unforeseen opportunities for passive income and portfolio diversification. However, participants must exercise caution and research to distinguish between legitimate events and potential scams. While airdrops and forks carry an element of surprise, they also underscore the dynamic and innovative nature of the crypto landscape, where holders can unexpectedly benefit from the evolution of projects and networks. Decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, participating in governance. Decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, represent a groundbreaking concept in the cryptocurrency ecosystem, allowing participants to engage in collective decision-making. Through ownership of project-specific tokens, individuals gain voting power to influence the direction of a project or platform. DAOs leverage smart contracts to ensure transparency, automate voting processes, and enable decentralized governance. This innovative model empowers participants, fosters a sense of community ownership, and aligns incentives toward the project's success. However, challenges such as complex decision-making and token concentration must be navigated. Ultimately, DAOs epitomize the decentralized principles of blockchain technology, democratizing governance and shaping a future where stakeholders actively collaborate in shaping the destiny of projects. The realm of cryptocurrency offers a diverse array of opportunities for generating passive income, but each strategy comes with its own set of considerations and risks. Whether through staking, yield farming, lending, dividend-bearing tokens, masternodes, automated trading bots, or engaging with airdrops and forks, individuals have the potential to secure a steady income stream or capitalize on unexpected windfalls. However, the dynamic and volatile nature of the cryptocurrency market demands thorough research, risk assessment, and a well-informed approach. As the crypto landscape evolves, so do the opportunities for passive income generation, making it essential to stay attuned to emerging trends and technologies to navigate this ever-changing terrain successfully. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.